For practice it self-check 4.15 sum2, we have the following code which has an error in it. We were also given the example which we can test. We have this method right here, and if we pass in a 5, we should return 15 because it's just going to sum up 1, 2, 3, 4 until it hits this max number 5, and it will return this max number. If we look inside of this code, we will look at our header first. This header is okay, there's nothing wrong with it. It's public, static, it's returning an integer, it's called sum2, and it takes a integer n as a parameter. Next we have a for loop. This is where our issue is. We can see the outside of our for loop, we're just returning the sum, which is also okay. So our error is in our for loop. The header for our for loop is fine. We have int I is equal to 1, that's our starter, and we're going to run this as long as it is less than or equal to the number passed in increment I every single time. The error here is that every time we run through this for loop, we are going to say that sum is equal to 0. So we're basically resetting our sum, even though we're adding I to it. To fix this, all we need to do is move this outside of our for loop. So we're going to cut it and paste it right here. If we submit this, we have passed 5 out of 5 tests. So this is the correct way to fix this code for practice it self-check 4.15.